Sophie's play day. We are having a party in here and you guys are invited. Guess what kind of party we're having? I'll give you a hint. What's the hint, guys?
It has dogs.
Ooh, it has something to do with dogs? It's right here on Sophie hat. We're having a Rescue Runts Adoption Day party. Woohoo! Confetti! Confetti! Alright friends, you guys want to see our pet that we adopted today? Alright, here you go, Justin.
Thank you.
And here you go, Sophie.
Thank you.
Oh, let me see who you guys have.
Oh, my hand fell
Oh, no, your hat fell out. You're so excited. It fell off, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we can put that down. And let me show our friends real quick. Aw, look at this rescue runt. This is Spaniel. Look how sad and teary she is. There is a before and after, and we have to take care of her and make her happy again. And this one comes with a brush, collar, tweezer, towels, and everything you need to take care of this runt to make her your best friend. This is how you can take care of Spaniel. Okay, and let me show you guys Justin. Justin has Husky, so cute. All right, just perfect, boy and a girl. Sophie, where are you? There you are. Okay, let's get this party started. All right, before we take our little rescue runts out, we gotta give it a name. Here's our official adoption certificate. It says, I promise to love and care for my rescue runt. We have to have a name, rescue by, and the date. Okay, Sophie, what do you want to name your little spaniel?
Star.
Okay, I'm gonna write Star on Sophie's certificate. And Justin, what is your pet's name?
I'm gonna name him Luke.
Luke, okay.
Wanna know a funny joke, friends?
All right, tell us a joke, Justin.
What type of dog chases red?
I don't know. What type of dog?
A bulldog.
Oh, funny. All right, friends, we have our certificate. Now we can take our little pets out. You got it out? Just pull the box. Oh, it's pretty snug. There you go. Do you need help, Sophie? Okay.
Yeah,
Oh, look at your pet. They're so cute and so sad. All right, I think we need to take out all their boo-boos and make them happy again. So here are our tools. We get the same tools. We have a collar here.
In a
Little cloth to clean it. Tweezers and a brush.
to brush his hair.
Yes. All right, so what should you guys do first? You want to take out the
Let's pick the
boo-boos?
bugs. Let's pick
All right,
the
take
bugs.
out the bugs with the tweezers, Sophie. Or your hands, sure.
Oh, I got one. Look how cute this is.
You guys have different bugs? Ooh, these are like a ladybug. You have a bee, Sophie has a ladybug, some bees.
I'll just work.
Is it easy? It's kind of tough, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, Sophie just pulled it off. Yes, you can use your hands or your tweezers.
This is hard.
Is it hard? Do you need Sophie, Dr. Sophie, to help you?
Dr. Sophie, help him.
Good job. I think he has another bug.
Oh, right on his arm.
Okay, is Luke feeling better now that all the bugs are out? And is Star feeling better? I think she's almost feeling better. Okay, let's move. Let's throw these bugs away. Throw it away. Throw your bugs away. Throw it away. God! Sorry! I meant to throw it behind you, not in your face. Okay, alright, so she has a little boo-boo bandage on her. Do you want to take it off?
Yeah.
Okay, let's pull it off.
Let's catch the bugs.
Okay, can you pull the bandage off? Oh, she must be hurting. Okay, let's make it all better. Ooh, turn it, turn it. Ah, good job, Sophie. Okay, what else should she have? Does she have anything else on her body? Okay, looks like she's good. Now you want to give her a little rub down? Rub, rub, rub. Clean all those dirt. How about you, Justin? Do you need help?
Yeah.
It's tucked under? Yes, there you go.
Oh no.
Oh
Got
no.
your broken leg.
Oh no, your little poor Luke. Okay, rub it, clean dirt with your towel. Oh, he has a bug here. You forgot.
Uh-oh.
No wonder he's still teary because it still hurts him.
Bad bugs.
Bad bugs. Okay, got it? All right, Sophie, here you go. Let's brush the hair.
I'm just gonna put this way.
Yeah.
Just gonna put it this way.
You gonna put it that way? Okay. Brush the hair
I'm
now.
supposed to clean the fur.
Oh, okay.
Like the feet.
Do you think she's happy now, Sophie?
Yeah.
Wipe, wipe, wipe. Can you wipe her tears?
He's happy.
She's happy now. Woof, woof. She's so happy now that she's found a new home with you
Luke's
guys.
happy now.
Oh, he's wagging his tail. He's so happy. He's so happy. Yes, they need to wear their party hat because we're celebrating their adoption day today.
Yay.
Sophie needs some help, please, Justin.
Okay.
Yay, Luke and Star. And when we have a party, what do we have, guys? What do we eat? What do we eat at parties, Sophie?
Cakes.
Cake. We don't have cakes, but we have cookies. Cookies. Actually, these are dog treats. Are they dog treats?
I think so.
Just kidding. They're treats for you guys.
Dance, dance, dance.
Dance party. We're having a dance party now. Time for sweets first.
Yeah.
So we have a hard cookie with a paw print and glitter on it.
Done. Smells good.
Smells so good, right, Sophie? It's sugar cookies. Yum. Want to give some to Luke? And Star here. Ah, they're loving it. It's party time. Blow, 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 Sophie. Blow hard. Yay! What a great party! Alright friends, this ends our video. Make sure you give Sophie and Justin a thumbs up for this video and subscribe to
Sophie's Play.
And before we go, we want to say big thank you to Rescue Runts. They sent us all of these stuff, all the supply, the balloon, the cookies, and our 2 little pads. Thank you so much. All right, friends, until next time, we'll see you guys later.
Bye.